Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove eSIM from your Apple Watch SE3. To remove eSIM, you would need to go to the Watch app on your iPhone and go to Cellular. Now, you'll find your Cellular plan. Click on this I letter next to the name of the cellular plan, and now you can remove the plan from your Apple Watch. Now remember, it does not cancel your subscription, so if your multi-SIM, so like having your SIM duplicated between your phone and the Apple Watch, if it's additionally paid at your carriers, then I would actually recommend going like to the carrier's website, to the carrier's app, or contacting them, going them there in person, or just calling the support to cancel the subscription for your multi-SIM, so it doesn't still charge you those additional few bucks for having the SIM duplicated for two devices, right? I'm gonna remove the plan because actually my plan is free, like the multi-SIM, so it's duplicated, it's free for me. But if it's paid for you, additionally, I would recommend contacting your carrier in order to cancel that subscription. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.